Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the run out of memory on Google Chrome issue. So the solution is very straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, just simply click on the search option on your Windows and then simply search Advanced System Settings. Now from the search results, just simply select the View Advanced System Settings. Now after that, a small window will appear in front of you as you can see. Now in the View Advanced System dialog box, make sure you are in the Advanced tab as you can see. Then under the Performance section, click on Settings. This will open the Performance Optimization window, which you can see right over here. Now in this window, select the Advanced tab, which is the second one over here. Then just let me look for the Virtual Memory section. Over here, click on Change. Firstly, just simply uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all devices, and then just simply select Custom Size. Now for the initial size, enter a value of 1024 MB. Now you can adjust this based on your system, but we will use 1024 MB for this example because it is the lowest amount that you can go. So just simply enter the amount of value depending on the system that you have. Now for the maximum size, also enter 1024. Although the maximum allowed might be 16 MB, increasing it to 1024 MB should help resolve the memory issue. Once you have done all the settings, just simply click on OK, and after that the settings will be applied. Then you can close the windows as you can see right over here. And once you will do that, all you have to do is just simply restart your computer. And once your computer has restarted, the error should be resolved in your Google Chrome. So that's it. Now you have successfully fixed the run out of memory error by adjusting the virtual memory setting in Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.